Ready, Bui? Should we do this?
Yeah. Yes, ready.
Okay, hi. Bua, where are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm right here. Yeah.
So, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video that we're doing, and I just thought that because this is the first ever video that I'm making for YouTube, we should bake the first ever brownies I ever baked. So, people always ask me, they're like, what's your first memory from the kitchen? What's the first thing you ever baked? And I always tell this story, and whenever you see it, you always send me a message and a screenshot saying, oh, I saw the story. So I want you to tell me the story of that, firstly of that photo in your kitchen, and if you remember us baking those brownies together.
Yeah, I remember all of you coming, all my nieces and my nephews coming to stay, at our place. And the gang would be busy playing and running around and all that. But you would always follow me around, mere piche you would come. And you would be interested in what I'm doing. So then when I used to make cake brownies for all of you. So you would come and say, oh Bua, let me do, I want to help, and then one day I made you sit on the kitchen counter. That's your iconic picture because you couldn't reach the top, so I made you sit on the kitchen counter right next to me. And you would help me, with the whisking, breaking the eggs and all that. So I guess that was your call or whatever it was, but you were interested in, making things. And also I remember I used to do a lot of other things like crochet and all. You would always say, teach me this also, teach me that also. You would be interested in everything, but I think the main interest was your baking.
Yeah, I still remember stitching, and I remember the knitting. You taught me how to knit.
Yeah.
We did those, then we did that embroidery, and every time, so every weekend we would go to Bua's house, and we lived in Dadar, and Bua lived in Juhu, and her house was the only house that I was allowed to go and stay at, and it was a big thing for me because I wasn't allowed sleepovers, so this was my sleepover time. And so we'd go to Juhu Beach, and then we'd come home, and we'd do all these fun activities with my cousins. And the brownies were quite crucial, I think, in my life then, because I think it taught me something really basic, but also about how exciting the world of baking is. And I remember sitting there and looking at this recipe play out in front of me, and how something so simple was transformed into something so beautiful.
At night, you always wanted to go back home. You were scared. Oh, I want to my mama, I want my papa. So I would bribe you, and say, kal main tere ko ye dikhaungi, I'll teach you something. So you would, keep quiet. And
I remember once or twice, I remember calling mama in the middle of the night and saying, come pick me up.
Yeah, but we used to bribe you. So anyway, abhi aise ho gaya hai. That time you were following me around. Now I'm following you around on Instagram, on everything else, and I'm living my dream through you.
So this is the recipe. Can you tell me a little bit about this recipe and how it came to be and how you found it, or where did you find it?
This recipe is as old as Start Plus. Start Plus, the channel. Yeah. So it had just started, and they were wooing this audiences, and they used to put up nice cookery shows from abroad, English channels and all that. So I one day happened to see this one. It was called Home TV. Home TV. So then, of course, I used to always keep on watching in the afternoon. So I quickly used to jot down and all. And I have this very shabby looking book in which I have it written. So that's how I came by it, and I kept on trying.
So I'm going to make these brownies now, and I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate chips in it. Just. Let's make these brownies. I'm going to start with the cocoa powder, baking soda, and warm water in a bowl. And I'm going to use the spoon to stir it in well. Once that's done, I'm going to pour in our melted butter and whisk it well. Then I'm going to put in the eggs and whisk this in too. Then comes the sugar. I'm using castor sugar for this, but you could also use brown sugar. I think brown sugar would make it really nice and caramelly. And now is the flour. I'm going to add the flour a little by little. I'm so sorry. I'm using one hand to film this and one hand to whisk, so it's a little bit shaky. But add the flour a little by little and keep whisking it in. Be gentle. We don't want to overmix. Lastly, I'm going to add my cashews and my chocolate chips. Now you can use any kind of nuts that you have lying around. I really like cashews and that's what I'm using. Ideally, you would pour this into either an 8-inch or a 10-inch brownie tin. I didn't have either, so I'm using a 6-inch, so it will be slightly higher. But hey, we gotta use what we have, right? So I'm gonna pour this in and then I'm gonna top it up with some more cashews, and it's gonna go in the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes.
वाओ यार, अच्छा लग रहा है. तुम्हें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डाला लगता है ना?
I just say it only, na? But what do you think?
Yeah, very nice.
Sure.
I made half the quantity in a bigger this, so थोड़ा छोटा है, flat है.
And I made the whole quantity in a small tin, so this is actually quite big. Where's yours, Bua?
Mine is in the kitchen. I don't want to show you mine. Yours looks better.
This is your original recipe. I just added a little bit of chocolate chips and I added some sea salt. Otherwise, it's completely your recipe. So yeah,
Okay.
here we go.
So what do you think? It came okay? You are the expert now.
I mean, you can't go wrong with chocolate brownies.
No, देख ले. Oh,
Mama's sitting here. She also wants to eat, but she doesn't want to be on camera.
okay.
This is very good. And I know a lot of people are going to ask me how to make this eggless, but this is a recipe that is from my childhood and we'll leave it like this. I'll come back with an eggless recipe soon.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Very nice.
Thank you.
Really. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.